Hi, everybody. I'm Tom Mulaney. That's me here today to tell you about data charts in Canva. A quick note before we get started, as far as the size of your canvas. If I click on File, I will see that I chose a YouTube thumbnail. I love those dimensions. I think they work great on websites and social media posts. However, if I wanted to resize this canvas here, I can. I have to create a new file in Canva. If you notice, resizes under the premium options. How do I get exactly what I want? Well, in the home screen, I go to custom dimensions, or I can choose one of these other prefab, whatever, but under custom dimensions. And I can also do it by inches, millimeters, and centimeters as well. All right, let's insert some data for a chart, and let's delete me. And we are going to go to Elements. And there you go to, if I X out of this, you go to Charts right here. And I'm going to do some favorable, unfavorable ratings for Bernie Sanders. So this is actually perfect. I throw that in there, and let me go grab my actual data in Google Sheets, which is right here. I select it. This, by the way, is from, I think, Gallup, October 2018. I will link that in the description. I hit copy. I'm not just making up these numbers. And let's go over here. And if you notice at the bottom, paste data from spreadsheet. And yes, I don't even have to delete their sample data. So I paste, and it's there. It is right there. Now, the one thing I would say is that these two blues do not nearly contrast enough. So for the unfavorables, I'm going to change that to red. I can change it to whatever I want. And now I have some good contrast, and I can move, I can resize that, I can add labels, I can add elements. I'll actually link what I create from this in the description as well, so you can see that. If you have any questions about this, please comment below or tweet me at Tom E. Mulaney. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.